4, 3, 2, 1. Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5 unboxing. So, to be honest, I really don't know much about this laptop, but for you guys, I'm going to tell you guys about a detailed review of this laptop. So firstly, while unboxing, I noticed that this laptop has come in a really nice packaging and I really liked it. So there are slips provided and there are instruction manuals for how to on this laptop. So you can just quickly go through them and on this laptop. And as you can see, these are the charging cables. This is just one charging cable that you have to join. It's breakable. This is the stylus, and with the stylus there's a pen holder. I also got this Lenovo bag which was discounted and it was given in the purchase. So let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box, a laptop of course, charging cable, a stylus pen with its holder, and a box and a bag was given. Now let's set up the laptop. So I will be setting up the laptop by looking at the instruction manual.
A few minutes later.
Detailed explanation. The processor that works with this laptop is 5i 12th generation processor. The design is very elegant. It is easy to carry, weighing just 1.5 kg. Now let me tell you what all the switches do. So these two are for the USBs. This is for the SD card reader, and then this is the power button. Here the charger of the laptop goes. This is for the HDMI cable. And wow, Thunderbolt charging. Here goes the earphones. One thing that I love about this laptop is that it has a fingerprint sensor. The Lenovo computer has a 16 GB RAM, and talking about the ROM, well, 512 GB, and the display edge is 14 inches long. The special feature about this computer is that it is a convertible. So this is the laptop mode. So now when we turn this, look, this sign comes which indicates that the computer is now on tablet mode. So this is the tablet mode, but fear not, as the keyboard does not work on tablet mode. This is the stylus. I always wanted to have a stylus, so I'm very glad now that I have a stylus. So first let me tell you how the stylus works. So this stylus works very smooth. So let me demonstrate it with the painting app. So this is the painting app. If you click on this, select, for example, I want to select this, so I've selected it. Now I want to select this, I selected this. And if you are in a hurry and you want to erase the drawing that you made quickly, then you just have to press this button. Keeping your hand on that button without pressing it works too. To activate this stylus pen, you have to put a battery in it, which is given in the purchase of this pen. A pen holder is provided with the stylus. So the pen holder goes somewhere here like this. And you can keep the pen when you are using it like this. And When you're not using the pen, you can just insert it like this. Talking about the display, it has a very nice display. Let me demonstrate. The sound is loud and clear too. This laptop uses Dolby Audio, and thus the sound is excellent. Let me demonstrate.
Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Please put on your headphones. It's a new way to experience sound. Unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels, Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo, and this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story.
Now the main confusion most people have is its battery life. As you can see, the laptop claims to have rapid charge boost, which just means that it can charge from 0% to 100% in 2 to 3 hours. If we charge this laptop for 15 minutes, it can provide us its battery life for 2 hours. So the maximum battery life is of 7 hours. As you can see, this charger, which charges the laptop, has a 65-watt charger, which means it can charge the laptop very quickly. The laptop itself has 3-cell batteries. One of the things that I like about this camera feature is the shutter. As you can see, this is a shutter. I also like the backlight feature. So for this, you have to press on function and spacebar. So now the light is on. To increase the light and to close it. So now let's see how the keyboard does its job. This is me typing. And gamers, there's a good news for you. Not only you get all the Word applications for free, but you also get free 3-month Xbox trial after purchasing this laptop. To conclude, I really like this laptop, and as I don't know much about this laptop, so I will keep you updated on the reviews of this laptop. And if you want to buy a laptop that is also a tablet, has a touchscreen, and includes a pen, go for this.